Standard 5th. Subject English. Topic Keeping Quiet. My English Book 5, page number 26. Listen carefully and enact in the pair. गौर से सुनिए और जोड़ियां बनाकर हर कार्य सपनात के साथ पेश कीजिए. हेलो नमिता. Namita looked at her friend and smiled. But she said nothing. क्या कहना चाहती होगी वो? What she want to say? She want to say hello. Are you busy? She said nothing. But she want to say no. Shall we go out to play? She said nothing. But she want to say no. Hey, what's wrong with you? She said nothing. She acted like this, but she want to say nothing. Are you angry with me? She acted like this. She want to say no, no. Can I take you up, friend? She acted like this, but she want to say yes. Where is it? Namita is pointing somewhere. In this picture, Namita is pointing somewhere. What she want to say? In my compass. Where's Mitali? She says something, but in acting. What she want to say? Don't know. Where's Shama? Namita is pointing somewhere. What she want to say? She is there. On the playground. Namita acted like this. She want to say no, no. In the office. Namita smiled. It means yes. Then I think I will go to her. Namita says in acting, bye.